Lytx makes installing your DriveCam Event Recorder fast and easy. Setting up your Lytx DriveCam Event Recorder is simple and takes just a few steps. Everything you need is in the kit. You'll also need a mobile device to validate the installation. Clean the windshield to help ensure a secure adhesion. Attach the device to the bracket using the Torx wrench and screws. Position the device so that it's facing through the windshield wiper path, and mark the area with a felt pen to help guide the proper placement. Mount the device to the windshield. Then secure the cable mounts along the edge of the windshield. Plug the cable into the device. Then route the cable. Finally, plug the connector into the OBD2 port. Now you're ready to validate the installation. Log into the Lytx Installation Center to check the cam review and validate the installation. And you're done. Lytx makes installing your DriveCam Event Recorder fast and easy.